Next we are discussing about WebP. WebP is an image file format developed by Google intended as a replacement of JPEG, PNG and GIF file formats. It supports both lossy and lossless compression as well as animation and alpha transparency. Next point is WebP is better than JPEG. Conclusion. The study evaluated WebP compression is comparison to JPEG. We observed that the average WebP file is size is 25 to 34% smaller compared to JPEG file at equivalent to SSI MX. So the extension of WebP is always 25% less than JPEG. That is, we should observe. And the SSIM versus BPP plots showed that WebP consistently required less bits per pixel than JPEG for the same SSIM index. And the next point is what does WebP stand for? WebP stands for Web Picture Format, which is an image file type developed by Google as a derivative of WebM, a video file format structure based on Matroska container. Next point is WebP better than PNG? WebP is modern image format that provides superior lossless and lossy compression for images on the web. Using WebP, webmasters and web developers can create smaller, richer images that make the web faster. WebP lossless images are 26% smaller in size compared to PNGs. And next point is why is WebP not so popular? Quality is still reduced, not so much advantage of WebP as a disadvantage to all lossy compression. The quality of your image is still reduced. For most people, the amount of negligible, but for visual sites like photography or graphic design portfolios, you want your visual quality at maximum. Next point is why is everyone using WebP now? Google launched the WebP format as part of its mission to make loading times faster across the internet. Loading time will be faster. And WebP allows websites to display high quality images but with smaller file sizes than traditional formats such as PNG and JPEG. Even though my opinion is WebP has to be developed more in quality because JPEG is becoming now also in photography and all these things, and the quality of visualization is best in the way. So that WebP is also, we should recommend it, but this quality also should be increased more in future ages. Next point is why is Chrome saving as WebP? WebP is an image format developed by Google for web graphics. You can rename the file using file JPEG, naming to open it normally. This happens because there are many extensions like JPEG, PNG, BMP, WebP. Google saves image and in WebP format because it was originally WebP image, not JPEG I guess. Next point is why do all images save as WebP? It reduces the file size in comparison to PNG's images by up to 26% and by up to 36% in comparison to JPG images. If you are running Chrome, you get WebP images exclusively on those websites, while Firefox or Internet Explorer users get the standard image formats instead. Next point is why is WebP not showing images? There are a few reasons why WebP will not be displayed using picture tags. Picture background images added via CSS. Image is missing a WebP version. Check by opening image in browser and append .webp to its URL. This is the information regarding WebP formats. Wishing you all the best.